In a shocking incident, Slovak Prime Minister Robert Fico was shot and wounded in an assassination attempt. The incident occurred just as he was leaving a government meeting in Handlova, leading to immediate hospitalization under critical conditions. Eyewitnesses reported hearing multiple gunshots, describing the scene as chaotic and terrifying.
Sme už išli podávať ruku pánovi Ficovi, ešte som ho kamerovala, som si ho odfotila, keď išiel z budovy a strašne sme na ňo dlho čakali, tešili sme sa a išli sme mu ruky podávať aj pán vedľa, aj takto ďalší a v tom momente niečo ako delobúb nám to prišlo, že niekto proste spravil srandu a že hodil na zem delobúb. Prvá moja reakcia.
As news of the attack spread, the international community quickly expressed their dismay and support. The White House, through a statement by President Joe Biden, condemned the violence, emphasizing that such acts have no place in society.
And I will just reiterate that the president expressed his alarm and deep concern over the attack. As the president said, he and Dr. Biden are praying for a swift recovery, and our thoughts are with his family and the people of Slovakia. We condemn this horrific act of violence, and our embassy is in close touch with the government and ready to assist. And I'm just going to leave it there for now.
Global leaders, including German Chancellor Olaf Scholz and others, voiced similar sentiments, highlighting the attack as a direct assault on democracy and civil society. Back in Slovakia, President Zuzana Kaputova delivered a poignant statement, expressing shock and calling for an end to the violent rhetoric that has pervaded society.
Som šokovaná, všetci sme šokovaní z hrozného a zákerného útoku na premiéra Roberta Fica. Stalo sa niečo, vážnosť čoho si zrejme ešte nedokážeme uvedomiť, alebo to nedokážeme obsiahnuť. Fyzický útok na predsedu vlády je predovšetkým útok na človeka, ale je to aj útok na demokraciu. Akékoľvek násilie je neakceptovateľné. Nenávistná retorika, ktorej sme v spoločnosti svedkami, vedie k nenávistným činom. Prosím vás, zastavme to. Polícia zadržala páchateľa a keď to bude možné, určite prinesie viac informácií. Dovtedy, prosím, nevynášajme rýchle súdy. A myslíme na to najdôležitejšie. A to je v tejto chvíli jediné. Aby sa Robert Fico čo najskôr zotavil. Ďakujem za pozornosť.
Authorities acted swiftly, arresting the suspect involved in the shooting. The apprehension provided some relief amidst the turmoil, signaling a quick response to the violence. After tense hours and medical attention, the Prime Minister was no longer in a life-threatening situation. His recovery was closely monitored, with security measures heightened around the medical facility to ensure safety. The entire nation, alongside international observers, continues to watch closely as Slovakia navigates this critical moment, hoping for the Prime Minister's full recovery and a return to stability.